There's something special about working with wood. It's natural, warm, and timeless. And today we're turning two plain wooden boards into a stylish X-frame magazine rack. It's a quick and rewarding project perfect for any DIY wood lover. You'll need just two wooden boards of equal size, a pencil, ruler, a jigsaw, and sandpaper. That's it. Start by measuring and marking a centered slot on each board. The slot should be half the height of the board and just wide enough to fit the thickness of the other board snugly. Now, carefully cut along your lines using a jigsaw. Take your time and keep your cuts as straight as possible. Smooth out the rough edges with sandpaper. This step adds a clean finish and keeps your hands splinter-free. Slide the two boards together through the slots, forming a perfect X. No glue, no screws, just clever design. Now add your favorite magazines. It's minimal, functional, and adds a stylish touch to any room. This is the beauty of simple woodworking. Practical, beautiful, and made by you.